If you run a business on blockchain and it involves finance, you need a Web3 system with best practices. There are many dApp tools for financial management, but they don't sit well as one system. Forcing them to work together can be costly, inefficient, and unsafe. Finance is built on credit and competence, which require integrity, safety, risk control, and compliance. That's where Inc. Finance comes in. As an on-demand smart contract factory, Inc. Finance puts your financial management on one integrated platform, customized by you. Your ecosystem is of Metaverse, DeFi, or investment. For Metaverse, set up your tribes, guilds, and investment clubs. For exchange and DeFi, scale your compliance, underwriting, and syndication. For investment, subtask your admin, fund management, and risk management. Governance is about decision-making, and Inc. supports nearly all schemes to fit your missions. Management is about operation under the governance, regarding its execution and workflows. For internal treasury, payment control, revenue audit, and capital management. For financing, bespoke products, multi-chain access, and transparency. And for DeFi and investment, compliance, admin, asset wrapping, and risk control. Inc. is the most powerful real-world asset engine. In a no-code experience, you can pick what's needed for your mission or task, add, remove, and reconfigure as your business evolves, and seamlessly connect to the best third-party facilities. Once plugged in, everything works together. Let's reshape DeFi together. Learn more at incfinance.xyz.